fam, how is everybody doing today? Good, because we're back with another video, you guys. You guys, I hope you enjoyed the last video, which was the mashed potatoes, okay? We had some creamy mashed potatoes going on. So this is the rest of my Sunday dinner, you guys. I wanted to make that a up and personal recipe because a lot of people look for potato recipes, you guys. But I'm just going to go ahead and get in here because I want to make you guys some Southern style chicken and gravy. Now, the catch to this recipe is my chicken is oven baked. Okay, so we're gonna just make us some gravy and we're gonna slide that oven baked chicken into this gravy I'm about to create, you guys. And I'm gonna start off with a little olive oil, right? Just want to hit the surface just like that. Now, I'm also gonna add in me some delicious butter, okay? Because it's gonna make this pan very flavorful, okay? Just a, little bit of butter, okay? Because we want these onions that I'm about to saute. We want the onions to be flavorful, right? And we're just gonna do it like that because we had those 2 small onions, And I didn't want them to go bad in the refrigerator. So I'm going to turn this down just a tad. Okay, just a tad. Because I get a lot of personal phone calls on how do you make gravy and all of that. And it's up to you what seasoning you want to add, right? So what I'm going to add is some black pepper. Okay, just like so. I'm going to add some garlic powder. Just like so. And we're going to add some original dash seasoning. Just like so. And I think I'm going to stop right there. Okay? I think I'm going to stop right there. Now, many might say this is not enough oil in here. But I'm going to add some more oil. You guys, I'm going to add some more oil. Now, the reason why I like to use olive oil is because it's heart healthy, right? It is heart healthy. And you gotta get down there and get this flour, right? Most will season their flour, but I don't. So I'm just gonna let these cook a minute. I'm gonna let these cook a minute. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and get my water out. And I'm going to add me some more liquid, oil into here, right? Now, look at that delicious. You see all that seasoning floating, right? Let me clean up my mess. So now I'm going to take my tablespoon. Or teaspoon. And I'm just going to do it just like this. I'm sorry, you guys. It's just a natural habit. put that right there. And we're just going to go ahead and we're going to keep stirring this and get it all in here, right? I'm going to let this brown. Now, one thing about gravy, you cannot take your eyes off it. You know, yeah, it's best not to take your eyes off it. Because if you do, you could burn it a little darker than what you plan on having. And I think it's harder to thicken it when it's kind of more darker, okay? Now, I don't know. That's just my opinion. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. But I like mine in cross in between, right? Cross in between. Let's put that spoon right there. I'm finished with my flour. Okay, I want to take out my chicken out the oven because like I told you guys, I put my chicken into the oven. Look how golden and delicious they look. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and put our chicken up here because I just wasn't in the mood to have it all together, you know what I mean? Like pan frying it, and I said, you know what, let me stick this on in the oven. Okay, make this process quick. Okay, I don't know why I keep wanting to sit it right here. Let me get this phone out the way. Let's see. Oh yeah. I'm not gonna put all of this chicken into this pan. I'm just not gonna do that. So, what I am gonna do, I'm gonna add me some cold water and make sure it's cold. A little cold water. Now that will not complete it because I'm gonna add a little cream to this. Just a little, right? Most people, I don't know if they do, but we're gonna add us a little cream. Because I'm going for the blonde color. If that makes sense. Oh yeah. You don't have to add cream in yours. But I wanted to add me some cream. We just want to add it just like that. I'm going to look at all of those. You can see the seasoning. So perfect in here. It's going to go well pairing with the mashed potatoes. And I got it on low. Oh yeah. I'm going to put me a little more cold water in here. It's not going to hurt anything. It's just stretching the gravy. And you can use this gravy on anything. You know? So yes, if you viewed me for the first time, thumbs it straight up. Subscribe to this channel. And yeah, support your girl. She on her road to 10K. And oh my goodness, this looks so amazing. So we're going to let that finish cooking. And we'll be back. So guys, check it out. Like I said, you guys, this is the key. Oh Lord. Oh Lord, Miss T done made a mistake. Don't try that at home, y'all. But anywho, you guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to have this with some delicious mashed potatoes. Oh my goodness. Now, that is a different way, you guys, to have you some chicken and gravy without having to pre-fry the chicken and all of that. Just bring it out the oven and make you some gravy, some quick, creamy, white gravy. Can I say that? But anyway, you guys, I have fun showing you guys this. But if you want me to make you some cream style corn homemade, we can do that right now. Just stick around on the video, you guys. Just stick around on the video. So guys, what we have is some corn over in the pot, right? We got a little medium pot because we got 2 cans of corn. Now, you can make this from scratch as well. Don't get me wrong. But your girl is hot, okay? And we're just going to season this corn up, right? We're going to season it up. We got 1 stick of butter in there. And we're going to season it on up just like this. With some black pepper. Some black pepper. And we're going to put us some Dash. Y'all know Dash is my favorite, okay? Dash is my favorite, baby. Hey, it helps me keep my blood pressure and everything under check, okay? And we're going to use some onion and herbs, right? Just like that. If you ain't never tried it, give it a try, okay? And we're going to put just a little salt in here, right? I'm running out of salt. I don't know, you guys. I got to remember to get some more of this salt. But that salt didn't last me so long. So your girl said, you know what? I don't know. So now, the key to this is we're going to put up some whipping cream in it, right? Just like that. Yeah, a little more because I could, okay? And we're going to give this a good stir. Let's put this spoon over in the water. And we're going to use this spoon because we're going to chunk it up. Butter already soft, right? And we're going to let it do its thing. Now, in case you're wondering, you did not know whipping cream could do such magic. Now you know. Now you know, okay? And you heard it here first, okay? But yes, if you're part of the fam, come join the fam. Like, comment, and share this video with any and everyone. Let me know your girl, when she's in the mood, she's gonna bring you some good videos. Some good southern style cooking videos. And we're gonna put us some parsley in there. Just like that. Right? Just enough. Tell me when to stop. Okay. I hear y'all. I'm finna stop. Okay. So now we're gonna put some parsley over here too, right? Because this is our Sunday dinner. And we gotta make it look fancy. Right? Look fancy. Now, you guys, this is Dash Extra Spicy Seasoning Blend. And your girl gonna touch it right here in the corn, just like that. Just like that. Okay? So, yeah, when I tell you that's a good blend, it's a good blend, okay? Oh my goodness. And it makes it look so beautiful. So we're going to let that go and cook, and we'll be back. So guys, here you have it. You have some delicious cream style corn. You guys, homemade. Well, you know the corn is not homemade, but at the end of the day, you can enjoy this. I always like to cut it off and let it settle. And like I said, you guys, over there you have some chicken with gravy. And yeah, your girl is going to get ready to close this out. And thank you for viewing me. I hope this video is enough to share, so I can let the family go ahead and eat. Let me show you once again our chicken. gravy. Look at that thickness. Oh my goodness. I'll show you my plate on my community post. Now that I let it settle, let me taste the gravy. Yes. Yes, and we already know the corn is fire. And if you want to know where the recipe for this mashed potatoes, I definitely will leave it in the description below. Let me put this back on it because I don't have a top for that. But anywho, and we also have some delicious baked chicken sitting on the side. Yes. So if you enjoyed this video, thumbs it up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Sending much love from my house to yours. Bye-bye.